I'm going to show you how to adjust the brakes on the Vive Rollator. This will be the same process for any kind of rollator type device that Vive makes. So you'll see here, this is your brake, which clamps down to stop the wheel, and this here is your brake line. So the brake line is tightened to a precise area to where the brake rests just off the wheel. So that way when you pull the brake, it pulls this down and it tightens against the wheel, causing the braking. So a lot of times if someone needs to adjust the brake, it's usually either because it's too tight or too loose, causing you not to be able to brake at all, or if it's too tight, then that means the brake is always engaged, which means you can't go anywhere. So to adjust this, what you're going to want to do is take a set of pliers and make sure you just kind of hold this line, because you don't want it to pull through too tight, because then you'll lose kind of where you are. And you'll want to take an Allen key and just loosen up this screw until you start to feel the brake wire kind of pulling against you, because this screw will no longer be tightening down against it, holding it in place. So I'm going to test here. Yeah, see, I have some pull. As you can see, I kind of lost some spacing here. So if I pull against this brake now, I can kind of use the brake to figure out where I want this tightening to be. And then if I pull and I retighten this screw, that's how you adjust it. So it's just basically by feel to see, okay, is my brake too tight or too loose? You decide just how much you need to tighten or loosen this wire up. And then you'll have a working brake.